Hey, what's up my friends? This is Ron from Optimize FX, ready for another week of full-on action. We have the $1,000 robot challenge that is happening, and yeah, a few other little bits and pieces that I've been working on. So right in front of me, we'll just do a $1,000 challenge update. I hope you enjoy the new intro. Yeah, it's just something that I did with a little template and just added a few bits and pieces myself. So that is a new intro with the new logo. Thank you for the people that have been buying me coffees. You're awesome. Thank you so much. It just helps with me getting everything done. It helps with VPS costs and things like that and my time. So shouts out to you guys. Thanks for buying me coffee. I love coffee. It's awesome. So in front of me we have Profit Pips Hunter Boss EA. That has lost money. It hasn't gone too well. The reason why I didn't put a video out yesterday is that nothing really happens over the weekend, and then it's Monday. So I let it trade Monday, and Monday was a public holiday in the US. So yeah, there wasn't really much action to really that really happened with the robots. So I thought I'd leave it another day. We're now Tuesday morning here in Australia. It's 10:30, so we've had a little bit of action. So I thought I'd make a quick video for you and just give you an update as to what's been happening. So Boss EA has lost a bit of money. It's in a trade, a negative trade at the moment. So yeah, not going too well. And next we have is the Dragon. This is one that blew its account. Sorry, on Euro USD in the first couple of days, and so far so good with the extra 1,000 in the account. So it's made $308 and it's currently in negative 140 or so in drawdown. So yeah, so far so good, but we'll see how what happens. So for it to close all this out at a profit, so it's in sell, and then it's got a buy and a sell and a buy here. So it's a bit all over the shop. It's a little bit hard to see. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so not sure where take profit is. Don't know. Not sure how this one exactly works. So I'll keep you posted as I find out myself. So we'll see what happens there. We have Holy Grail. That Holy Grail may be the Holy Grail. Who knows? It has made $122. This is the one pair on the minute time frame, and it's currently negative 27 in drawdown. So we'll see. I think this one here I had it set so it only makes 5 max orders. So let's increase that to 10 because it may need to get out of the shit here. So let's see what happens if I do that. It'll probably open a buy, I would say. Buy and buy limit. There we go. So 0.03 lots. And Euro USD, it's been up and down lately. So we'll see what happens here. 10 trades. Or 10 max open orders will probably help this one out, considering we do have $1,000, so we'll increase that there. So we'll see how that goes. Money pile, $122 up and negative 35 in drawdown. Pretty solid so far. It's trading the M15 time frame. It's in cells. It started to up its lot sizes with these cells, and now we should see EU come back after this pump up yesterday. I don't know what happened in the markets yesterday, but there was a massive move up on a lot of currencies. I don't know what happened. Don't know if there's any news, but yeah, that's what this is here on the 26th, which was yesterday. It says boom, straight up. I didn't catch any of those trades, unfortunately, manually, but we'll see how this goes. So yeah, Euro USD, I believe it'll probably come back maybe to this level, so we'll see how Moneypal goes here. Next we have Phoenix 4, which has pretty much done nothing. It made a few trades here and it lost some money, but it hasn't really done anything since. So Might have to look into this and see maybe if we can find another EA or find some settings that might make it trade a bit more. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. Make Money has lost money. I'm not surprised, because it works well in backtesting, and that's because it's curve fitted. So we'll see how it goes. This EA is a bit all over the shop, I believe. Well, from my experience anyway. So if people are wondering, the settings are settings that I optimized myself. They're not from the forum. So because the ones from the forum I just didn't have any luck with. So we'll see if Make Money makes some money a bit later. Private Wealth Robot has made a little bit of money, and it's currently in a winning trade. So we've got $37 up after 1 week and a bit. So that's good. And we have 007, which is one that blew its account at the very end of last week, and I decided to resurrect it, gave it another $1,000, tried some different settings. These are the settings that I came up with. So lot exponent of 1.2, so that means each extra trade is 1 times 1.2. Take profit is 5, so no stop loss. I've increased a pip step to 10, that was on 5 before. Max trades of 6, and I've left the lock profit and trailing stop as is. So that's all I did there with Signals Pro 007. And we have made $9.58. But we're -41 at the moment because EURUSD has moved up, and it's got to come right way back here to close anything in profit or break even. So we'll see what happens there. When FXPro is another one that I gave $1,000 and an extra 1,000. It blew the account in the first to move up here. And it is currently, well, it's lost some money. It's currently at 850 and -47 in drawdown. But it's about to take profit according to all this green. Why would it take profit at -47? We'll see. We'll see. But anyway, I'll give you an update on that one tomorrow. And Maris is all over the shop. It is at -$144 in drawdown and a balance of 566. I've tried mucking around with the settings, I think, with this one. Fixed lot, stop loss, we have fixed profit. Yeah, I think I had to play around with the settings in backtesting, and I didn't really find any other good sets. So I'm not sure about this one, but we'll leave it go, and we'll see what happens later on. So that's the wrap up for the $1,000 challenge. I'll have another exciting video coming out soon. I've just got something to share about a robot that I've been coding with a friend. So I'm just going to show you its results, and maybe if any of you guys are interested in that one, we can all do some testing together at a future date when I've got it a bit more refined. So yes, I'll need some testers. So if you know how to test a robot, I would like to try testing a robot, not on a live account, obviously on a demo, but obviously different accounts, different leverages, different things like that, and we'll see how it goes. But so far so good, and yeah, I'll keep you up to date with that video as it comes through. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.